In this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark to a PDF file without installing any apps. First, open your browser and type app.moditool.com into the address bar. On the website, click on PDF Processor. As you can see, there are several tools here. Today, we're interested in the Add Watermark tool. First, upload your PDF file. You'll see a range of options here, such as text watermark or image watermark. Under the text watermark option, you can enter your own text which will appear in the file. Below that is a slider that lets you adjust the font size. Set the watermark position. There are two presets available, diagonally or in the center of the file. There is also a slider where you can adjust the text transparency. There is also a custom position option. You can set the angle and position according to your preferences. Finally, press the blue Add Watermark button. And that's it. Your PDF file now contains a watermark. Thanks for your time. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you're looking for a free tool to edit files or images, give Moditool a try. Our free tool offers many useful options, and most importantly, your files are safe. Everything is processed locally in your browser. Your files are not uploaded to external servers, and nothing is stored online.